Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can check where your Instagram account logged in. It means if you have logged in on many devices or if you want to check how many devices your Instagram account are logged in, then you check this. So for that, just open your Instagram account and just go to your profile. When you are on your profile at the top right side, just click on these three horizontal lines and click on account center. When you click on account center here, then you will find an option called, just click on this password and security. Here you can see option account setting, option password and security. Just click on this. When you click on this, here at the bottom you can see the option called where you are logged in. Just click on this. Just click on this. After this, just select your Instagram account. And now here you can find all the devices where you are logged in. And if you want to log out from all devices, just simply click on select devices to log out. Just simply click on select all and just simply click on log out, and you will be logged out from all your devices. So this is the way you can check and log out from all devices where your Instagram account is signed in.